Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, this is our topic, okay, for these courses, okay, under Construction Technology 1. Okay, the topics under Introduction to Construction Industry. Okay, what is covered in this topic? Okay, you should know about the types of the construction industry, the characteristic, building technology processes, the organization, construction industry regulatory, and also the economics. I think all these elements you already know, and then we already covered, okay, from previous semester. So what I need to cover for today class is only just to refresh, okay, to refresh your memories about this topic, about the construction industries, okay. So first of all, okay, maybe you already know about the type of the construction industry. What is the construction industry? Okay, the construction industry is covered about the, when we talk about the construction industry, we must know, okay, in the construction industry, they have the building construction, okay. Under the building construction, we have the residential. By now, you should know, okay, what is the residential building construction? Okay, for the residential, this is for the, like the housing, okay, terrace house, semi-stories house, condominium, apartment, and etc. Okay, and then we have the non-residentials, where we have the, like the hospitals, university, hotel, office building, and etc. And also we have the engineering facilities. Okay, when we talk about the engineering facilities, whatever structures, okay, in engineering facilities like the water treatment plant, sewer treatment, drainage, tunnel, bridges. Okay, this is all like the oil and gas. Okay, like oil and gas. This is covered under engineering facilities. And also we have the industry facilities. Okay, we have the factories, warehouses, oil plant, power plant, and etc. Actually, there are many other type of the building construction, not only limited what I mentioned in this slide. Okay, there are many types of the building construction. And also we have the for the construction industry characteristic. Okay, in under construction industry, the characteristics. Okay, every part in the world, every country in the world. Okay, like I say, it's a global industry around the world. Okay, they will construct the building. They will construct the engineering facilities. They will build the residentials. Okay, so that's mean these construction industry characteristics, okay, all countries in the world will build the house, the building, okay, or the any facilities or infrastructure facilities. And also when we come to the other characteristic, okay, when we talk about the construction industries, the construction industry characteristics is they must be big and numerous. Okay, so because when we build a building, okay, like the house, this is a big. When we build the condominium, this is a big. Okay, so and then this will be kind of the we must tackle of the, there are many aspects. Okay, in order to build a building, okay, we must look on the money. When we talk about the money, we talk about the economy factors. We look at the cost of the project, we look at the total amount. Okay, so this is where we need a lot of money. We need to spend a lot of money. Okay, we must borrow from the where we can say that from the financial provider. Okay, like the bank. Okay, in order to provide the contractors, okay, in order to build a building. And then they must have the continuous. We must start to the small project to the skyscrapers. Skyscrapers is the more on the mega project, okay, from the basic, from the small building to the skyscrapers for all the mega project. And then they have the influential and also dominant. They contribute to economy and job opportunities to many people. Well, as I said before, as I said from the previous lectures, okay, in the in the engineering drawing or construction drawing, technology management, and also the construction project management. When we talk about the construction industry, is a big, numerous, okay? They will give the gross domestic product (GDP). They provide the GDP to the construction, to the Malaysian economy, to the Malaysian economy or other countries' economy. So, and also they will give job opportunities. Okay, when we come to the COVID-19 pandemic, okay, in the beginning of the year to 2020, many project has been stopped due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, due to the SOP, due to MCO. So many projects stop, and then slowly we grow. Okay, slowly we grow. The business start growth back after the pandemic. After the pandemic. So this will affect this. The construction industry is related to the business, related to the economy. And also, since they provide job opportunities, so in the construction industry, when we want to construct a building, they involve many workers, okay, with various expertise. Because in the construction industry, they have many players, okay, many players involved, like the architect, like the engineers, like the surveyors, like the QS, like the contractors, and there are many others people or many positions involved in the construction industries. And then the arrangement about the project and financial management, law and design of the construction. Okay, so when we look on the building construction process, so when we want to build a house, okay, for the house construction project, so they must have involved the client. Okay, who is the client? The client who have the power what? Power of the money, who have the money, okay, in order to build a building, to build a house. And then we have the consultant. Who is the consultant? They have the architects, engineers, quantity surveyors. And then we must have the contractor. Who is the contractor? If we don't have a contractors, so who will build the building? So we must have the contractor. So in the contractor involved with the suppliers and also the subcontractors. Who is the suppliers? Suppliers is the organization who supply the construction materials or product or the equipment, okay, in order to build a building, to build a building, okay. And then what is the subcontractor? Subcontractors, the contractors who do specific job or to do a specific activities, okay, for the project, like the brick wall contractors, like the roof, like the finishers, tiles, okay, bar bending, okay. So this is for the contractors, or for the subcontractors, sorry. And then building construction process, they involve the construction project management. Okay, I will show to you later. Okay, I need to complete this slide first. So for the construction project management, this is just a refreshment for you, for everybody, because we already discussed in the construction project management for the previous class. So for the construction project management, I will show the slide later. Slide later. Okay, so the construction industry organization, okay, we involve the client, consultant, contractor, supplier, local authorities, resident, occupier. Hopefully, everybody understand what is this, okay, like the client. Who is the client? The owner. Okay, when we come to the one project, okay, like we want to build a school, okay, the owner, normally we have the Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia, okay, or we want to build a hospital, Kementerian apa? Kesihatan. So we must have the client, or we have the individual client, okay, like we have the so and so, or the Mr. X or Mr. B. So we have the client who can have a money in order to build a building. And then we have the consultant, like I mentioned in the previous lecture, in the previous slide, we have the architects, QS, engineers, And then we have the contractors, subcontractors, and we also have the nominated subcontractors. Nominated subcontractors, what is the nominated subcontractors? Nominated subcontractors is a very specialized contractors, like the contractors who want to fix the escalator, who fix the lift, or do fix other types of the very specialized job, okay? And the supplier who supply the material, the equipment, the tools for the project. Local authorities like the Majlis Pembandaran, Majlis Daerah, JKR, pejabat, any pejabat, TNB, pejabat, Jabatan Pengairan dan Saliran. There are many local authorities, okay, involved in the construction industry. And also the resident, the people, okay, all the occupier, okay, who, when we build a building, residential, business facilities, who want to buy? So we must have the occupier. We must have a people to buy the asset or the building, okay, or use the building. And then about the construction industry regulatory, okay, the regulatory involved in the construction industry, we have the building by law 1984. Okay, this law involved for the when we want to design a building. So they involve, okay, how many square feet, like the architect, okay, first the architect want to figure out how many size, what is the size of the building, what is the size of the area, how many square feet for the building, for the single story house, a double story house, first story, second story, first level, second level. So how many, what is the size? So the length, the width, okay, because they involve the building by law. This is involved where when we use the building, so the environment is can give what I can say here, the building can give the surrounding is good, or the surrounding is quality, and the surrounding is follow the requirement, okay, in order for the people will be comfortable to use the building. And then we have the NIOS, okay, National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health. Okay, this is more under when we do the activities at the construction sites. Okay, so many, you will read many news about the safety rule, about the accident in the construction site. So who is the organization who take care, who monitor, who control the safety at the construction site is the NIOS, National Institute of the Occupational Safety and Health. Okay, in order to control the activities, okay, from the any accident, okay, any accident. And also we have the civil law, negligent, tort. This is more on the contract. Okay, when you study on the contract in the next, I don't know, in the semester, I don't remember, maybe this semester or next semester in the third year syllabus. So you will talk about the contract and laws. Okay, you will study contract and laws. They will cover about the civil law, negligent and tort, and also about the land law, environment. Okay, environment is more on the ISO. Okay, about the surrounding, what is happened to the surrounding when certain area need to be developed, okay, need to be development for the new housing, new township, okay, so it's related for the environment. Okay, and then we talk about the economic, so how it can relate with the economic, with the new building, what can give advantage to the economy of the Malaysia, economy of the certain region, certain state like the Johor, like the Kedah, like the Perlis, like the Selangor, like the Klang Valley, Selangor, like the Sabah, Sarawak. And also we look on the how it can impact by the population growth, okay, because when the population is growth, is require more building, more housing, okay, in order to cater to the need or the demand of the housing based on the population growth. And then we talk about the economy development. This is about the share market. This is more on the related to the business with the new project. They give you a new business, okay, new economic to increase the economic. And also when we talk about new technology, this is you what you already studied before in the technology management. So when we talk about the new technology, so it will be every day, every second, we will meet the new technology. And then when we talk about the technology involved in the construction industry, technology involved to build a building, to build a building. Okay, so this is for this first lecture about the introduction to industry. Yeah, okay, so I complete that one. I need to stop the record.